Luna Classic broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Luna Classic, we have officially broken below our 14 support level, which of course wasn't really a surprise. I mentioned this multiple times throughout the weeks that this 14 support level has already been tested twice, and this would become the third test opportunity. Now that we have a clean break formation, ideally the same exact range that we have seen before, this is the same price analysis that we are now entering, where we had a massive move to the downside followed by a start of a continuation dump. Now this is going to be very key in terms of the 4-hour time frames. We would have to get a clean break below this 12.6 level in order for us to see Luna Classic completely capitulate, so pay very close attention to seeing that range. As of right now, a lot of traders are hoping for the fact that we will see a recovery, and there are a few things I want to note. Number one, of course, in order for us to see a recovery, we would have to somehow remain above the 14 support level, use it as a support for 3 test confirmation, as well as the fact that we would have to try to break above our exponential moving averages. Now, looking at the exponential moving averages, this has been a very clean indicator in terms of this massive move on Luna. So what I'm paying attention to see is, of course, whether or not the bulls can try to overcome this level, use it as support for a possible continuation for that V shape. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, you'll notice that RSI is also in extreme oversold conditions, and this is one of those situations where I have warned you guys not to trade solely off RSI. The reason is, of course, a lot of traders tried to buy those opportunities right here on support at 14, hoping for the fact that we would see a bounce, and immediately after, now their positions are underwater. This is one of those situations where ideally you want to stay on the sidelines until you have a clean confirmation of the trade. Once we get that clean confirmation, only then will we be looking for that buy opportunity for possibly retesting the 16 support. Now, I mentioned in yesterday's video that if we were to retest and reject off the 14 support level, that's going to be the confirmation you want to see from the bearish case scenario for a possible massive capitulation leading into our daily support levels at 86 and 51. I'm paying very close attention to the hourly time frame to see whether or not we end up doing that. Right now, we are still trading below the EMAs and retesting them as resistance, but what I want to see the retest is, of course, on the support level here at 14. So I'm expecting a probable dump and then that retest for that confirmation, but entering a shorting position at this level currently is, of course, very dangerous. I've mentioned this to you guys many times in the Telegram channel as well. You never want to short at a support level, mostly when it becomes a daily support, because 9 out of 10 times you end up getting absolutely wrecked on the wick towards the upside. Now, of course, assuming that Luna Classic does see that wick towards the upsides and that we do see that short squeeze, pay attention to these exponential moving averages on the daily and the 16 resistance point. If we do see a very nice wick opportunity and we start to see that rejection, this is going to be a massive play overall. So pay very close attention once we enter this range, and if you start to notice something on the daily or even the lower time frames, that's going to be your confirmation for the short. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.